Yo kopi. Oke,
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
A very good morning to all. On behalf of KKDC, I extend my warm welcome to all the newly elected honorable MPs and each one of you present here. Namaste, Kulunka. In exercise of the powers conferred by the TTADC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to issue orders for due constitution of the newly elected district council, and in accordance with Rule 166(1), Srimati Santri Das, LR and Secretary Law, Government of Tripura is hereby authorized to administer the oath for affirmation to the newly elected members of the district council. I would like to request Srimati Santri Das, LR and Secretary Law and Government of Tripura to initiate the process of administering the oath or affirmation to the newly elected honorable members of the district council. Now, I would like to call upon the newly elected honorable members to come on the stage one by one for taking oath or affirmation to the Constitution of India. First, I call upon Sri Bhavaranjan Riyam, 1 Damchara Jampui ST.
अनोखा
Angmutan Bhavaranjan Riyam, TTADC atau training member Secretary Subhagrani Mumbai, Mai Kamu, dia ini tapi mengpakai bangun pakai India di Constitution ni dia ain diskusi kami putih dia pakai ini apa dia kamu nama di bawah hati
그래서
Now, now I call upon Srimati Manju Rani Sarkar. Chun Basma. As she is absent, now I call upon Sri Shailendra Nath, Sri Dasda Kanchanpur.
그거는
Now I call upon Sri Ratish Tripura, Port Karmachara ST.
아우 아니가 우리가 사전동 받았다고 박노카 아 오늘 여러 이거 정말 봐지 마이
Pangkapa Nabuno.
눈을 다시 미쳤네
Ako ke Wikunarbi, Kamaikami, Palo Kalambani, Mungkin Agak Kerong, Wiku Kubui, Korok Kumui, Ano, Wakali, Kamani, Kamu, Kamai, Kupai, Karnai.
cái gì nó hay mèo rồi cái này là cái giờ đi chơi luôn Norka
Now I call upon Sri Ismail Joy Tripura, Five Chaman. Now I call upon Sri Hollywood Chakma, 6 Manu Chelenka.
Norka 아니 특이한 거 에이
ত্রিপুরা উপজাতি জেলা প্রশাসন ও জেলা পরিষদের নকশায় করছি আগামী দেবে বোঝেন উত্তর নামে শপথ বদি দমন মুই এই নদী ভারতের সংবিধানের পুকুরে একামনে প্রতিম দিচ্ছে আর আদিম মবইকে মুই ভারতের সার্বভৌমত্ব আর জদায় রক্ষে করি আর মুই যে দায়িত্ব বদি দমন প্রতিম বিচ্ছেদর লগে বলে তাদের সাথে
Now I call upon Sri Dhirendra Debbarma, 7 Dhanashara Kachuchara.
이것을 먹어가는 뭐 따라 한개 타이야 먹고 타이고
Ang Musang Director Departma Different Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Atong Unggoy Tongkat Maya Gulo Kaitoni Unggoy Sumay Tanggoy Sado Kurakti Koito Kenargoy Sumay Tanggoy Sado Parot Kailan Bakri Disingti Kada Kerongno Koito Kuboy Orok Komoy Ang Wagdagoy Kongmani Samungno Abay Kupay Tangan
Now I call upon Sri Katrachoriyam, 8 Ganganagar, Gandachara.
out hari dikhe bete Come.
Ang Musang Sampradaya Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni kehar tui pangpiye tunjuk paimon yok wo Ishwarno duai laye smai tang ye satawo abono te krok piye au ye smai tang satawo parot hakko bai snam tunjuk mo pa kerong rai darau no mukha bai hatiye mukhrong bom jaya ani satawo pau tinyo mo samurong no ang abai kubai ke tanglai Now I call upon Sri Prashmit Verma, 9 Halali Ashram Bari.
out here.
Ang Muchang Prashmit Deborma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Ada Munggoy, Chonggamani Yagulo, Mahaduri Munggoy, Sumai Tangoy Satawo, Garakhe Putu Nargoy, Sumai Tangoy Satawo, Barokni Mati, Singtui, Hajar Kerangno, Putu Kuboy, Horok Pomoy, Ano Boksagoy, Tomani Samungno, Habai Kubai Tangai Hambai.
Now I call upon Sri Rajeshwar Verma, 10 Tulai Chandra.
Narkhala.
Musang Rajeswar Deborma, Ibra Travel Career Command District Council, Adong Ungai, Tongjatma Yanalo, Kaitonis, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Grake Putu Narake, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Baro Nyambaki Sinti, Sadak, Karangno, Putu, Ubui, Barong, Bomui, Anu Baktakma, Tongmani Samuno, Abai Kubai Tangan, Amat.
Anh không phải. Ôi, tiền nó vậy.
Now, I call upon Sri Utpat Debarma, 11 Maharani Purtoliama.
Nó xin á.
Anu Musang Football Deborma, the tribal area of North District Council, Adong Kongzat Yakubo. Terakhir Putu Narake, Maitani Sakau. Barangnya nomor Sinti, Kadak Erono, Kuitu Kui. Orang Omoi, Anu Kongzat Paris Hamu, Dok Habek Kubai Kaknya.
Now, I call upon Sri James Debarma, 12 Ramchandra Ghat.
I, Musang James Deborma, Chupaya Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adong Ungai, Tongjatma Yakubo, Kaitonis Sumai Tangi, Grake Putu Narake, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Baro Nyambaki Bisinti, Sadak Karangno, Putu Ubui, Barong Bomui, Anu Baktakma, Tongmani Samuno, Abai Kubai Tangan, Warga Johambai.
Kan nó xin á. Đó. Hòa rồi kan.
Now, I call upon Sri Ravindra Debarma, 13 Simna Kamakar.
Nó gạt đâu. Yang kira display ni dia.
Muchang Rojendra Deborma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous Council, Adong, Ongoi, Tongjakma, Yagulo, Kaitoni Mungoi, Samai Kandis Tao, Baro, Elambakni, Isinkui, Hadak, Eramo, Oito, Hobui, Korok Omui, Ano, Bokjagui, Tongmani, Hamuno, Habai, Kubai, Anai.
Now, I call upon Sri Dunia Debarma, 14, Vichan Nagar, Bhakti Nagar.
I, Muchang Dunia Debarma, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous Council, Adong Ungi, Tongjakma, Yagulo, Kaitoni Sumai Tangai, Sadao, Virat Poito, Narakai Sumai Tangi Sadao, Baro, Elambagno Pisinti, Hazak Kerono, Poito Kupui, Orokomui, Amo Bokjaki, Tongmano Samuno, Habai Kubai, Tangai, Habai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jagdish Debarma, 15, Zirania ST.
Okay. Lütfen. Bro.
Muchang, Jagadish Deborma, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Adong Ungi, Tongjakma Yagulo, Ishwadni Munti Sumai Tangi, Sadao, Trakhe Puito Narugui, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Baro, Elambakni, Isinti, Hazak, Yaramno, Puito Kubui, Korok Omui, Ano, Bokjaki Tongmani, Samuno, Habai, Kubai, Tangai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jitendra Debarma, 16, Mandai Nagar, Kulinpur.
And Muchang Central Deborma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adong Ungi, Tongjakma Yagulo, Kaitoni Mungoi Sumai Tangi Sadao, Trakhe Puito Narugui, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Baro, Elambakni, Isinti, Hazak Kerono, Puito Kubui, Korok Omui, Ano, Bokjaki, Tongmani Samuno, Habai Kubai, Tangai, Habai.
Now, I call upon Srimati Geeta Debarma, 17, Pekwar Jala, Jannaji Nagar ST.
Masakti kita terima. Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ni ada wujud mengenai Congdapan ia kalau kaituni mengenai berakit samai kami ada Barat Hakutuni Kilembak ni bising Hadap kerana untuk tahu kubui korang bomai ano bongsamani baca tebas kamu habai kubui no karena jatuh.
Now, I call upon Sri Suraj Dutt Verma, 18 Katarzala Jambuja.
Macam Suraj Dutt Verma, Tripura sab bodoh baik, bodoh angkor poksa, adon unggul, Congdapan ia kaituni bising ada. Terakhir poin naragai main. Barat elam bab, bising ada kerungi poin. Kubui pok meropai, ano pok temani, tongmani sama, sabai kubai.
Now, I call upon Sri Buddha Kumar Dutt Verma, 19 Amtali, Golaghat.
I, Muchang Buddha Kumar Dutt Verma, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, ada mengenai Congdapan ia hulu kaituni semai tanggai, sadao berakhir puitu naragai semai tanggai sadao Barat elam magni bising koi hazar kerana puitu kubui hal bomai ano baksari palman hamono habai kubai tanggai. Belanya hal.
Now, I call upon Sri Purna Chandra Jamatia, 20 Kilabaka.
Ang podeton betul ya. Di sini atau emanya kolot, Congdapan kolot matai kotor, papa kerja ni menggui, semai tangui sadau, barat kotor ni elembak, ada kerana angkut bayu, di ani cakap bangsa kodano, kabai kubai, bakro bangui sama tanai, sama.
Now, I call upon Sri Chandrakumar Jamatia, 21, Maharani, Chelagam.
I, Sri Chandrakumar Jamatia, having been elected a member of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Volunteer.
Now, I call upon Sri David Mura Singh, 22, Kataria, Mirza Rajapur.
Musang David Murasi, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Lukurat by Samjak Adam Ungui Samjakma Yagulo Sini Mutairok Tay Bala Horicham Tay Kaitorni Sumai Tangui Sajau Gerakke Kuitanaragui Sumai Tangi Sajau Barot Hakutorni Elam Batu Bisingkui Khazak Kerongno Puito Kubui Korok Bomoi Ano Borsari Kongmani Samungno Khabai Kubai Tangai Jai Gopala Jai Prasad Jai Khansa Bharat Mata Ki Jai Jai Bhut Vande Mataram.
Now, I call upon Sri Kamal Kanai, 23, Ampinagar.
I, Sri Kamal Kanai, having been elected a member of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of the God solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you.
Now, I call upon Sri Dhanuja Tripura, 24, Rahima Vedi.
काउंसिल ने आदम हुए चंद्रमा यागुलो काइटोनिस समाई तांगे साजो ग्राफिक कुलकुल नारगो समाई तांगे साजो भारत एलन बागने उसीते हजारी हजार केरंगा बुइतो दुबई पर बोंबो यानो वाजागै कम्माने सामुनो काबाई कुबाई काना
Now, I call upon Sri Sujoy Uchoy, 25 Nutan Bazar, Malbasi.
Sujoy Uchoy, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Pohatoi from Sayalaya Vishwani Mumbai Soita Kawoi Boy Katu Mumbai Akan Karoye India Hani Roito Royan Tomodoi Maninai Ake Amje Tamna Kaitumi Abuna Hati Chuk Mumbai Samun Tamna Hata
Now, I call upon Sri Tenaram Riyang 26, Veer Chandra Nagar, Kalash. Now, I call upon Sri Debajit Tripura 27, Purba Mozipur, Buratali.
Tentang Deputi Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Adam Mungui Songsak Mayagulo Kaitani Mungui Samai Tangai Sazago Parot Elembak Dibisikte Saza Kerogno Puicu Kubui
범의 아동 복잡의 덕분이 자본로 가발 국가에 갔네.
Now, I call upon Sri Sangjam Mok 28 Silachari Manubankul. All members have taken oath in accordance with the provisions of the TTIDC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985. I would like to convey my sincere thanks and congratulations to all the honorable members on completion of the oath-taking ceremony. I also convey thanks to all the officers for their cooperation in successfully organizing the oath-taking ceremony. Now, I would like to announce that under Rule 17.1711/1, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to appoint Sri Jagdish Debbarma, elected MDC, to preside over the proceedings of the first meeting of the newly elected council. I call upon Honorable Member Sri Jagdish Debbarma to take his chair to preside over the first meeting and advance the further proceedings. Thank you.
যত officials to the first meeting of the ninth TTADC. As per conduct of business rules, to the first meeting of official the Autonomous District Council Chairman and Chief Executive Member elected Elani Koktomani. Jasapana Kasha Karone, Tini Official Chairman TTADC and Official Chief Executive Member elected Khajaria. বলভাবেই পরবর্তী সময়েও তেরোশো সিটিং কনভে খাজাবি কতাল চেয়ারম্যান টাইম সিএম চন্দ্রভাই বলভাবেই গভর্নর ভাই FM খাজা প্রেসিডেন্ট অফিসার হিসেবে অবহানি দায়িত্ব অবনো সাগলাইনেন তবে তিনি চিফ এক্সিকিউটিভ অফিসার তিনি সময় খামানি প্রোগ্রাম পাইকা declare my humble